If you're building voice AI agents, chances are you're using platforms like Vapi, Retail, or Bland AI, and you're buying a virtual phone number. Now, chances are you're buying that phone number from the popular providers like Twilio or Vonage, but I'm here to show you another platform that can help you massively bring down your costs just by using this platform for your virtual phone numbers. I just came across this recently, and I'm not sponsored with them or anything. I just found it to be such a good deal that I found it worth sharing with people, as I've been building voice AI agents for quite some time, and using Twilio has been a really pain point for me because of security reasons as well as the cost isn't the best in the market. So I'm going to show you today this platform called Zadarma. It is an alternative to using Twilio and Vonage for your phone numbers, and I'm going to tell you why. So I did a little bit of a deep research and did a little bit of a comparison, as you can see right here, on comparing the prices and the costs and just a general comparison between these two platforms. And ChatGPT told me that it is massively better, especially if you're using it out of North America. It gives you much better returns. So if you're using it for a global client or for making phone calls in South America, in Europe, or in Southeast Asia, you will get even much better results, much better savings. But here is the result. So even in the US, the running costs are lesser by 2 cents, and also the incoming calls are the costs are zero for Zadarma and 80, 0.085 per minute for Twilio. While in Canada, you save actually a lot more. So it's 14.014 per minute outgoing, and it's 0.006 per minute outgoing. So it's less than half. And as you go to the other countries, as you can see, it's much, much more bigger savings. So it's kind of a no-brainer to use this platform if you're looking to save on your bulk AI agent call making. So I'm going to show you now how to actually integrate this into your Vapi platform or any other platform. It should be a little bit of a same. You might have to tinker with the process a little bit, but I'm going to show you because it's a little bit complex. So if you're familiar with Vapi, um, as you can see, when you're trying to integrate a phone number, you see a screen like this where they have inbuilt options to integrate Twilio, integrate Vonage, integrate Tellinks. But for Zadarma, you have to use this option. But we are not going to be doing it from here. We have this little workflow that we have, and we're just going to be running it, putting some information here that we will get after creating our Zadarma account and doing some adding some things to it, which I will show you right now. And then we will just run this workflow, and it will hit these two API calls, and it will set everything up and connect it to your Vapi account. If you don't want to do this, you will have to make those API calls manually. And if you're not technical, that can be a real hassle. So I will provide this workflow to you. If you want to use it for your own purpose, feel free to access it. I'm going to show you how to use it now. When you go to Zadarma, you're going to, of course, make an account. And first thing you're going to do is buy a phone number, of course. So you will go to this page right here. In services, you will see order a virtual phone number. Inside that, you will, of course, purchase the phone number of your choice, whichever country code, whatever you need. So after that, you're going to go to add a new SIP right here. You will see it on your screen. You might have to scroll down a little bit. Then you're going to click on add a new SIP. You're going to name it something random, whatever, but keep it something you remember. This is the phone number that you already have, so your own phone number, and this will be the phone number that you just purchased, and you're going to do add. And once you are done that, um, this will actually generate a login ID and password, which you're going to be saving, and this will be what you will use in this tab right here in our workflow. So the name you created, the phone number you just bought, as well as the username and the password that's generated from doing this step, you will be using. And After that, you're going to be doing one more step in Zadarma before running this workflow. So you will go to your settings once again, and you will go to your virtual phone numbers. Over here, you will see your phone number that you just purchased. Right next to it is a setting as icon. You will click on it. You will go to external server, and over here you will add this address. So this will be nothing but your phone number that you just purchased with the area code in front. So it will be 11 digits if you're in North America, because you're going to be adding that one in front. And then at the rate of sip.vapi.ai, and you're going to save this. And that's all from the side of Zadarma that you have to do. Now, if you set all of this up correctly, you're going to be adding that information here. So whatever name you created, whatever phone number you have with the area code. So don't forget the area code is necessary. Your authorization and your password. You will save all that here, the correct information, of course. Then you will save it, and then you're gonna run this workflow. So once you run it, it's going to be hitting this. Yeah, so after this workflow is ran through successfully, that will mean you have registered your information, and the number should then be linked in your Vapi dashboard. You will be able to see it in your phone numbers right here. I'm not going to be showing it because it has some sensitive information in there as well. But once it shows here, then you are good to go and use it and rack up those savings. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you need access to this template, it should be somewhere in the description below, or it should be available inside my Skool community. So feel free to get access to it if you need to set this up for yourself. If you like this video, if you found this helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content, follow me for more. See you in the next one.